Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 1997 Hot Wheels. And today we have the London Taxi, collector number 619. And it looks like it has an opening door and metal bottom. And it started opening in transit. Got this off eBay. You might have seen the mail call. Let's get it open. I'll check that door last. Does that door open also? Wow, if it does, that'll be the coolest thing. And I will want more of them. Don't know why, but when I find a good one, I want to buy more than one. Alright, ready? Let's check the door. That is really cool. They're suicide doors. Wow. Why are they called suicide doors is because if you open that at all on the highway, it just flings you open and pulls you out. Well, I had no idea. I've had this since, well, I've had one like this since 1997, and I have to find it now. It's still in the package. Just got this one on eBay. Way cool. Let's see how it rolls. Wheels roll well. Wheels roll well. Oh, we smashed into a street sweeper. Oh, that is too cool for school. Nice. Thanks for watching me open up this London Taxi by Hot Wheels. And it is a 1997. Both doors open. Suicide style. Just like that. And that was a real treat for me to find out that the other door opens. Thanks so much for everybody that tuned in. And please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.